Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl Anastasia, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I will show you guys a night in my life. I will show you guys my skincare routine and basically everything that I do in the nights before going to bed. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Enjoy. So guys, this particular evening we made some stir-fried spaghetti and it was really nice. Like, you guys can see how juicy the spaghetti was. After eating, I put the leftovers in the fridge and I proceeded to clean the kitchen. Guys, I always try to do the dishes and clean the gas cooker. Like, I try to clean before going to bed because it helps me the next day. I don't have to start washing plates and tidying up the kitchen, so I do it the night before. It makes my work easier the next morning. So I do the dishes, I clean my gas cooker. Guys, always make sure you clean your, is it cooker or burner? I don't really know, but just make sure you use a very good kitchen cleaner and clean your cookers. Clean it very well because if you don't clean it, it's going to rust. So I always try to do this every evening before going to bed. Guys, I also clean the kitchen counters. I clean them very well. I also clean all the equipment that I use to cook. If I use the microwave, I'm going to clean it. So I always just try to clean because it makes me think well. And I also clean the walls too because food particles tend to splash on the walls. And the last thing that I usually do in the kitchen is to sweep the kitchen. Like, I sweep it so the next day for me to cook, I know I am cooking without washing plates or cleaning anything. The next thing I proceed to do is to take a shower. I always try to take a shower before going to bed because it helps me sleep well. And you have to take a shower because, like, during the day you sweat and all of that. So I just try to take a shower because I can't just sleep. I can't go to sleep dirty. So I try to take care of myself. And I'm using this Ashanti papaya soap to wash my face. I took out the lather from the soap and I washed my face. You guys can use anything. Like, you don't have to follow my routine. I'm just showing you guys what I use, okay? And I use my Dove Pampering body wash with my bath brush. I really love this bath brush. I've had it for like 1 year now and I really love it. It tends to like scrub, like it scrubs my back really well, which is something I really love. The last thing I do in the shower is to wash my downstairs area with a feminine wash, and I really love this one from Salt XO. I have been using it for a very long time and it really works for me. So for my nighttime skincare routine, basically, like, I don't really do too much, to be honest. You guys already know most of the products that I use, and I'm just going to put everything on the screen, and it's going to be linked down in my description box in case you guys are interested in getting them. So guys, I went ahead to use this Garnier Body Superfood cream. It contains cocoa butter. Guys, cocoa butter, like, I love the smell of cocoa butter. Like, it just smells really, really nice. I really love this body cream, and my husband loves it on me too. And I also use this Palmer's cocoa butter oil, body oil, and it goes so well with the body cream because they have the same origin, which is cocoa. And I went to bed smelling like cocoa, and I really love it. Like, I love the smell of cocoa butter so much. Like, I was just like, oh my god, this smells nice. Like, the combination was just so nice. So I went ahead to use my body mist because your girl loves to smell nice. Like, my second name is Mrs. Smell Nice. I must always smell nice. So guys, the next thing I went ahead to do was to use my Salt XO oil for my downstairs area. I really love that oil because it keeps that place smelling nice. Okay, so I went ahead to moisturize my hair because I still have braids on, so I moisturize my scalp with my coconut oil. Guys, the mosquitoes in this room, they are mosquitoing. Like, we deal with a lot of mosquitoes from time to time, and Baygon really helps. So I sprayed the room, and then I went to the parlor to watch some TV while the Baygon marinates. Okay, so after like 1 hour, we went back to the room, and me and my husband, we did our night devotion. We read our devotions and we read our Bible. So guys, that is it for our nighttime routine. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.